Hi everyone, it's Nathan from Bay-Lynx. Today we're going to talk about inspecting and cleaning the oiler nozzle on your Bay-Lynx Titan mixer. The first step is to inspect your chain for lubrication. When the feed conveyor is running, there should be a fine oil mist being sprayed onto the chain. If there's no oil coming out of the nozzle, chances are it's clogged, either due to contaminated oil or from debris built up on the chain. To inspect and clean the nozzle, simply remove this cover. Once you have access to the nozzle, inspect the bottom ports for any buildup or debris. Use a pick to remove any large pieces of debris and remove any remaining particles with brake clean. Once the nozzle is clean, reassemble and test. A clean and well-maintained oiler system is key to maximizing belt life and minimizing downtime. Thanks for watching.